Hello everyone, I am Reja and welcome to brand new tutorial on PLSQL case statement or another example of case statement or case control statement. So let's see. So guys, here we can see the two variable declared in declare section, employee salary and employee cell increment or inc. And inside the begin and end block, we can see the value of employee salary is assigned 1540, and the number line we can see the inc b increment salary variable, and here we can see the case statement, and the salary is the variable b employee salary. Then when 1540, then the then employee salary into 0.4 slash divided by 100. And then another case one is when 1 lakh, then b employee salary into 0.2 slash 100. And then another one is, and the final one is else statement, and this is the end of case statement. So here we use the value 1540, so our statement will execute this line, and the output of the final salary with increment, um, the number line denotes the result that we are expecting. So if we execute this line, here we can see the case 1, your salary is 15, and this one the incremented value. So in this way we can use the case statement in our PLSQL block. If we want to use the conditional statement or range value checking in case statement, we can use follow another example like uh, if we execute this line, here we can see the result of anonymous block. Case 2, your salary is here. So in this way we can use the case statement, and here we just use the variable name after the when block, when statement, and here. So And here we use the AND operator to compare the range of value to in our case statement. So you can use this is AND operator. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.